welcome back to part 8 of building the 13.5 by 6 metre log cabin in Market Raisin in Lincolnshire. We already know the first part of my day is going to be a cup of tea, and after I've made myself a cup of tea, my next step is I'm going to start getting the terrace boards down, handrails on, and get the front area downstairs completely finished. So tea time. So you'll notice that I've not left any gap in the decking boards, and that's purely because the moisture content in the boards at the moment is quite high. So as they're undercover, when they dry out a little bit, they're going to shrink, a gap's going to form. And when we get back to winter again next year, they're going to expand again, and you know, they're not going to bow, they're not going to cup, and they can't get any wider than they already are. So that's the reason there's no gaps in the decking boards. Terrace boards complete, which means the next stage for me, handrails. Get that entire front wrapped up, finished off. We don't have to go back out there then. Josh has still got to put all of his cables in the ceiling. Connor's still yet to get all the insulation finished, which means tomorrow we can start putting in floorboards and the architraves. So progress is progress. Insulation finished, handrail finished, terrace done, cables up there, they're finished, cables on the floor, they're finished, which means we can start laying our floorboards tomorrow and actually put our architraves on. Everything's wrapped up, we're done for the day, which brings us to the end of part 8. Thank you so much for watching part 8, and if you want to see part 9, don't forget to subscribe, turn your notifications on and set your preferences to all so you can see when part 9 comes out. I'll see you guys in the next one.